If you're anything like me, you might be feeling overwhelmed by the amount of credit card debt you have. It can be stressful and frustrating to see your balances slowly creeping up, no matter how hard you try to pay them off. But don't worry, there is hope. In this video, we'll go over 5 simple and effective steps you can take to start reducing your credit card balances and improving your credit score today. Identify which credit card has the highest interest rate, and focus on paying that one off first. This will save you the most money in the long run. You could move the balance to a credit card with a lower interest rate or try to get your current credit card company to lower the rate. Make more than the minimum payment on your credit cards each month. If you pay more, your balance will go down faster and you will pay less interest. Consider setting up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due, or even a little extra, to ensure that you never miss a payment. Stop spending money on things you don't need and put that money toward paying off your credit card debt. Look for areas in your budget where you can trim the fat and redirect that money towards debt repayment, such as by canceling unnecessary subscriptions or cutting back on non-essential expenses. This can help free up more money to put towards paying off your credit card debts. Make a budget and stick to it. Look for ways to save money on everyday expenses, such as by shopping around for the best prices or using coupons. You could use an app or spreadsheet to keep track of your spending and figure out where you can save money. Consider consolidating your credit card balances onto one card or getting a balance transfer credit card. This is a credit card that allows you to transfer the balances from your existing credit cards to a new card with a lower interest rate. This can help you save on interest and pay off your debts faster. Shop around for the best balance transfer offers. This will simplify your repayment process and potentially save you money on interest charges. Before you consolidate your balances, make sure you read the fine print and understand any fees that may be involved. Consider professional help. If you're having trouble paying off your debts and your credit score is going down because of it, you might want to talk to a credit counselor or financial advisor. They can help you come up with a plan to pay off your debts and improve your credit score. Don't be afraid to seek out professional help if you feel overwhelmed by your debt. A financial advisor or credit counselor can provide you with the tools and resources you need to get your debts under control. Look for a reputable credit counseling agency or financial advisor. Be sure to understand any fees associated with their services before you sign up. Here are some more options to explore for reducing credit card debt. One option is to consider a debt consolidation loan. This is essentially taking out one loan to pay off all of your credit card balances. This can be a good option if you're struggling to make minimum payments on multiple cards, as it can often result in a lower interest rate and lower monthly payments. Another option to consider is increasing your income. This might involve taking on additional work or negotiating a raise at your current job. By bringing in more money, you'll have more financial breathing room and be able to put more towards paying off your credit card balances. Keep in mind that both of these options will require some effort on your part, but they can be effective ways to get your debt under control. We have other videos on our channel that outline options and steps you can take to increase your income. Check them out. We want to remind you that reducing your credit card balances is an important step in increasing your credit score. It may seem hard, but you can make progress on lowering your debt and improving your credit if you have the right plans and attitude. Remember to keep an eye on your credit report and score, and to consider options like debt consolidation loans and increasing your income to help pay off your credit cards. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your credit and financial stability. Thanks for watching.